Unix Academy. In this video, we will see some terminology related question and answers. First one, node. A worker machine in Kubernetes, part of a cluster. A set of nodes that run containerized applications managed by Kubernetes. For this example, in most common Kubernetes deployments, nodes in the cluster are not part of the public internet. Next one, edge router. A router that enforces the firewall policy for your cluster. This could be a gateway managed by a cloud provider or a physical piece of hardware. Next one, cluster network. A set of links, logical or physical, that facilitate communication within a cluster according to the Kubernetes network model. Last one, but not the least, service. A Kubernetes service that identifies a set of pods using label selectors. Unless mentioned otherwise, services are assumed to have virtual IPs only routable within a cluster network. That's about this video. Thanks for watching.